There was a piece of advice someone gave me years ago, and honestly, I didn't want to hear it. Not because it was wrong, but because it challenged the way I was thinking. At the time, I believed I knew what I needed to do. I believed I understood life, but looking back now, I realized that person was trying to give me a lesson I wasn't ready to receive. Years ago, during a difficult season of my life, I was trying to solve everything on my own. I wanted answers, I wanted clarity, I wanted things to move faster. I wanted life to make sense. And then someone told me something very simple. They said, "You don't have to understand everything right now." I remember thinking, what kind of advice is that? Of course, I wanted to understand. Of course, I wanted answers. Of course, I wanted certainty. But life rarely works that way. As I got older, I began to realize something many of the things that worried me most eventually worked themselves out. Not always in the way I expected, but often in a way I could never have planned. Some doors closed, other doors opened. Some relationships ended, others began. Some dreams changed, new dreams appeared. And slowly I understood what that advice really meant. Life is not a puzzle that needs to be solved all at once. Sometimes, life is a journey that must be lived one step at a time. We spend so much energy trying to control the future that we miss the lesson of the present. And sometimes the wisdom we need most is not more answers, it's more trust. When I look back at my own journey, the loss, the rebuilding, the unexpected turns, I can honestly say this. Some of the best chapters of my life came from situations I never would have chosen. And if I have received all the answers in advance, I might never have become the person I am today. So if you're facing something you don't fully understand right now, maybe you don't need all the answers today. Maybe your next step is simply to trust, to keep moving, to keep believing, because sometimes the best advice we never wanted to hear becomes the wisdom we carry for the rest of our lives.